everyone, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the one more time trend, which is very easy to learn, so you're going to get it easily. But before we get started, you have to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below, and let's get started. So we're going to hear 2 beats, so we're going to click, then we're going to click again, and then we're gonna do this movement. But first of all, you're gonna hear when to click, so don't worry. You can do this, you can just click like that. Just click however you want. So 1, 2, and 3. So we're just gonna do like a circle, like this with our hips, and our hands go behind us as if we were putting something in our pockets. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do it from the beginning once again. Click, click, 1. After this, we are going to do this movement. So it says something about a sign. So we are going to bend our left leg and we're going to bend our right leg, but we're standing on our right one. And we're going to do this. So just pretend you have an L on both hands. Now, one of the hands, you have to turn it around and that's it. You can do the same thing with the other hand. You can choose. I prefer to do it with my left hand just because it's easier for me, but you choose. So it's gonna be click, click, 1, and then sign. And now, you're gonna do the sign for about 3 seconds, so you have enough time to think about what's going on after that, and we are almost done. So now, after this, we're gonna do an 8. So we're going to the left, to the right, then we're gonna put our hand over here behind our head, we're going to the side, returning, then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. So let's do it once again. It's gonna be A, and then side, side, up, up, down. So to do this thing, we are gonna put one hand is going to be straight and the other one is going to be bent over here. Our hands have to be behind us. So it's going to be 1, 2, and then we're just going to do a circle with our hand down here. So let's start from the A. A, side, side, 1, 2, 3. After this, it says hit me baby one more time. So for one more time, we're going to do this. So I'm just showing A1 because it says one more time. And we're going to bend our right leg and we're going to stand on it, and we're also bending our left leg just as the sign thing. But we're going to do the same here. And then there's a B. So what I prefer to do is lift my leg, but you can do this again, you can click again, you can do this, you can just go away. You can choose what to do at the very end. And now let's do it from the beginning 3 times. One of them slow and the other one's fast. So, are you ready? Click, click, circle, side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, then B. So, now let's do it fast 2 times. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, click, circle, side, A, side, side, up, up, down, 1 time. Now, let's do it once again from the beginning, fast, and we are done. So, let's go. Click, click, circle, side, A, side, side, up, up, down, 1 beat. And that's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment what dance you want me to do next. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!